Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering all materials and workspace for the net rows project. Cut netting squares to 3 inches each for regular petals. Stack 4 layers of netting for every petal you plan to make. Prepare wire stems about 6 inches long and bend a small hook at one end. Have floral tape, scissors, a lighter, and a 1/2-inch bead ready for each stem. Organize colors and count the number of petals required for 1 full rose. Fold a 3-inch square into a tapered petal shape and wrap the base. Thread a 1/2-inch bead onto the wire, then insert the petal base over the bead. Twist the wire gently to secure the petal and hold the layers in place. Use a lighter carefully to slightly melt the raw netting edges and prevent fraying. Repeat this process until you have 12 to 16 petals for a medium-sized rose. Vary petal sizes slightly for a natural appearance and begin by creating a small central bud with 3 tightly wrapped petals on the wire. Add additional petals around the bud, spacing them evenly for a full bloom effect. Secure each new petal by winding floral tape down the 6-inch stem to lock it in place. Continue adding petals until you reach the intended fullness, typically 12 to 16 petals. Cover the entire stem with green floral tape and trim excess wire to the desired length. Optionally add leaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.